C. Standard 10th, Maths, Chapter 3, Algebra, Exercise 3.17. See, before start doing the problems from this exercise, let me introduce the new topic, matrices. Let me give you the introduction of this matrices. Introduction. So what is called matrix? So just matrix is nothing but is an arrangement of the data, given data. So let me collect the student's mark. So the student, let me denote them as first student, second student, third student. Their marks in Tamil, English, Maths, Science and Social Science. Here the first student in Tamil, she has got 45, in English 70, in Maths 63, Science 72, then in Social Science 80. Then the second student in Tamil, she has got 25, then in English 37, Maths 50, Science 40, then Social Science 45. The third student in Tamil, she has got 65, in English 80, Maths 73, Science 70, in Social Science she has got 90. See, we collected the marks of the students in 5 subjects, 3 students' marks in 5 subjects. So if I put them in the bracket, open bracket. So this open bracket contains the arrangement of collection of data or in the arranged manner. This form is called the matrix. So otherwise we say matrix is nothing but arranging things or data in a rectangular array. In a rectangular array is called a matrix. Is called a matrix. See, the horizontal data are called the rows. Horizontal data are called rows. We say rows. This vertical data are called columns. Columns. See how many rows this matrix contains? It has 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 subjects. 5. In between you write cross. So you have to read this as 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This 3 by 5 is called the order of the matrix. And also the arrangement is in the form of a rectangle. So this is the rectangular matrix. We call this as the rectangular matrix. The rows and columns are different, 3 by 5. Suppose they are equal. The rows and columns are equal. Let me take for example 3, 4, 1, minus 1, 0, 6, 7, 2, 3. One more matrix 4, 2, minus 5, 6. See, this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is denoted by 3 by 3 matrix. And this has 2 rows and 2 columns. This is 2 by 2 matrix. So when the rows and columns are equal, the arrangement is in the square shape. This 2 matrices are called square matrix. Square matrix. When rows and columns are different, that matrix is rectangular matrix. If the rows and columns are same, that matrix is a square. See, the data's arrangement are the general form of this elements in the matrix are here first row, second row, third row. Here first column, second column, third column. So the position of this, how many elements here? This 3 rows and 3 columns. So the matrix contains 9 elements, 3 by 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 elements. Just let me mention the position of the elements. See, the first position of this element is, it is in the first row. Take the row first, mention the row first, and first column A12. Next is, again it is in the first row, but second column A1. Sorry, this is A11. A11. And this is in the first row, second column A12. And this is in the first row, third column A13. Now come to the position of this element. It is in the second row A2, but first column A21. Second row, second column. Then second row, third column. And come to this. It is in the third row, first column. Third row A32, second column. Then third row, third column. So this is the way you have to mention the position of the elements. CA22, it is in the second row, second column. Now let us see the types of the matrix. Types of the matrices. First one is row matrix. Row matrix. If a matrix has only one row, -3, 2, 5, only one row it has, but 3 columns. No problem about the column. So this is 1 by 3 matrix. It has only one row. So it is called row matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix. So the matrix has only one column, -3, 5, 4. So it has 3 rows, but only one column. So it is column matrix. Next matrix is square matrix. Square matrix. In a matrix, if the rows and columns are same, it is called a square matrix. 1, 0, -5, 2, 3, 6, -7, 1, 4. 3 rows and 3 columns, square matrix, or you can say 2 by 2 also. Rows and columns are equal. It is a square matrix. Next is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. In a square matrix, it's said to be a diagonal matrix if all the elements are 0 except the leading diagonal elements. See, in the square matrix you have the diagonal here. So I mentioned this -1, 4, 5. So the remaining elements are 0. All the elements are 0 except the leading diagonal elements. This is a diagonal matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. In the 2 by 2 matrix, -1, 4. So the other elements are 0. It is a diagonal matrix. Then scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. So in a diagonal matrix, if all the diagonal elements are same, so let me take all the leading diagonal elements are 4, 4. The remaining elements are 0, 0. So it is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. All the leading diagonal elements are same. The remaining elements are 0. Unit matrix. Unit matrix. So in a square matrix, all we see in the square matrix only. All the leading diagonal elements are 1 unit. Unit. The remaining elements are 0. It is a unit matrix. It is a unit matrix. Next is zero matrix. All the elements are 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0. 0, 0. This is 3 by 3 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix 0, 0, 0. This is 2 by 2 matrix. See in the exercise first sum, the matrix is given for you 8, 9, 4, 3 first row, minus 1 root 7 root 3 by 2 5 second row, 1, 4, 3, 0 third row, 6, 8 minus 11 1. It is in the fourth row. So these are the elements in the matrix. Question: find the number of elements. Number of elements. So you need not count the elements. Just you find the rows. You write the answer for the second question first. The order of the matrix. I am answer for the second question first. Order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. So how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the rows first. 4 by into, that is, how many columns here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are here. 4. So the order of the matrix is 4 by 4. You have to read this as 4 by 4. Now come to the answer for the first question. Number of elements. Number of elements. Just multiply these two numbers. Number of rows and number of columns. 4 4s are 16. So the number of elements is 16. Now come to the answer for the third question. Write the elements. 8 to 2. First you find the position of this 8 to 2. It is in the second row, second column. So where it meets here? Root 7. So 8 to 2 is equal to root 7. Next is 8 to 3. Second row and third column. So it meets here root 3 by 2. 8 to 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Next is 8 to 4. 8 to 4. Second row, but fourth column. Fourth column, it meets here 5. 8 to 4 is equal to 5. Next is A34. A34. It is in the third row and fourth column. So it is 0. Next is A43. A43. Fourth row, third column. Fourth row and third column. It meets here minus 11. So minus 11. Next is A44. A44. So fourth row and fourth column meets at 1. So is equal to 1. So this is the answer for the first question. Thank you.